Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Plug the Ethernet cable into the Xbox 360 and your router, or install the official Wi-Fi adapter if you need wireless. Power the console and wait for the dashboard to load. This ensures the network hardware initializes. Once done, navigate to Settings, System, Network Settings to begin. You do this first because a stable physical connection reduces setup variables and speeds the remaining steps. Now you configure the network details and resolve the usual middle issues. Choose wired network for Ethernet or wireless for the adapter, then select your SSID and enter the password when prompted. Run the test Xbox Live Connection tool. It verifies DHCP and assigns an IP. If you get strict NAT, forward ports 88, 3074, 53, 80 on your router, or enable UPnP. You do this so multiplayer and voice chat work reliably, and to prevent future reconnect drops. Finish by signing into Xbox Live and applying updates. Select Download Profile and enter your Microsoft credentials. This lets you access your friends, achievements, and subscriptions. If the console prompts, install the latest system update. Updates resolve many network compatibility problems. After updates, run the connection test one more time. You should see Xbox Live sign in and NAT status. If things go wrong, reboot the router and console. Then check cables. If still failing, clear the cache or set a static.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.